I'm gonna do this first so you can't see. This comes with a little name tag in case your pet gets lost, they can fill out. It comes in this box, in this bag, with instructions or something, a card if you need help. And it comes with 2 best friend patches. This is what it looks like. It's very well made. These are very, very handy duty buckles. Like, I mean, they're good. Metal clips here, a metal clip there. On the front, if you walk your dog with the front, there's metal on the back, a handle. It's just really well made. It's really thick. It's cushiony. Well worth every dollar, whether your dog's an escape artist or not. My dog pulls, and I needed something that was comfortable for him so it wouldn't scrape under his armpits and stuff. So I 5-star recommend. Just make sure you go according to the measurements for your dog. Make sure you measure their neck and the girth, like their chest. Okay, 5 stars, and that's my review.
Wished on a star.